Stir fries are easy and quick for those busy weeknights, and this sticky pork stir fry is full of flavour. Start by spraying a large frying pan or wok with olive oil spray and place over medium-high heat. Stir fry the capsicum and snow peas until tender. Transfer to a plate. Add the mince to the pan and cook, stirring and breaking up lumps until the mince changes colour. Add the marinade and stir to combine. Now spread the mince evenly over the base of the pan. Cook without stirring until the mince is just caramelised. Stir the mince mixture, then spread over the base of the pan. Cook without stirring again, and then repeat once more until the mince is golden brown. Return the capsicum mixture to the pan and toss to combine. Cook the rice in the microwave following the packet instructions, and then divide the rice and mince mixture among the serving bowls and season with pepper.